So, headed now to go and pick up the correct pipes, hopefully. Got the 2019 Yoshimura cans right there. Ordered. So what happened, I ordered the RS9, which is like the quiet model for the Yoshimuras, but they only made those starting in 19. And I guess the parts lady didn't catch that before she placed the order. But we got everything squared away. I'm going now to pick up the 2018 Yoshimura exhaust for my bike. And then when I get back, I'll go ahead and start the install video later. So, picked them on up. They're throwing a pair of ODI lock-ons for the Kawasaki. So, that's good. Alright, headed home now. Alright, this is attempt number 2 trying to install some Yoshimura. Alright, I'm not going to do a whole unboxing. I'm just going to open it up on video to make sure I got the right thing this time. And then I'll do like a time lapse of me installing them, and yeah, and I'll show you the finished product. So, alright. Nice, man. I'm so good at everything. So we got this stuff again. A lot more of it. These appear to be the same size this time. That's good. Cut here like that. Cut. Slice them down. Other than that one. Let me shut this door. Alright, so actually, the RS9 is not just for 2019. I stated in one of my clips before this one. It was the RS9T, which is like a variant of this muffler. But that's for the 2019s and up, apparently. I'm not that cool yet. Alright, everything looks right. This time. They gave me hardware? Okay. They gave me hardware. Alright. So I'm not going to look at the instructions. I'm not going to do it. I already know how to do this. I'm basically a pro. But I'm going to go ahead and cut to the install right now. So it turns out when you have the correct pieces, things fit a little better. Who'd have known, you know? I don't know, not me. I ain't a mechanic, but I did have some clearance issues with this guy right here. Trying to slide this pipe over it, so I just took it off and put it back on. But there's not very much room between the two, so I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, but it might melt. But let's start her up. Give her a good old start. Oh, finished product. Look at that. Alright. Got my little cheater button here. This thing is whatever. Doesn't want to stay. Put it right there. Here. First startup. Here she is, all done up. Got the ARC clutch, ODI lock-ons, matching ARC brake, and of course the Yoshis. But got everything else is stock on her. This puppy's next. A little bit of work already done, but yep. That's all it is. All there is to it, boy.